Waterfalls are normally short-lived features in the life history of a stream because stream flow eventually wears them away. Small waterfalls are common along stream courses in mountain regions, but large cataracts on major rivers are comparatively rare and found only in unusual geologic settings. Niagara Falls thunders over a layer of erosion-resistant limestone on the outlet from Lake Erie into Lake Ontario. It was created when drainage patterns shifted as continental glaciers receded at the end of the Pleistocene epoch. Iguazu Falls, on the border between the South American countries of Brazil and Argentina, plunges over the basaltic lava flows of the Paraná Plateau. This remarkable cataract is said to have 275 separate falls, although these tend to merge during the flood months of May to July.